Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have a cheap $10 soldering iron with me for unboxing, which is quite popular on Banggood.com. And after unboxing, I'll give you my honest opinion about this product so that you can decide for yourself whether you should go for it or not. So let's start the video with the unboxing part. Here is the soldering iron itself, Mustool MT223 60-watt variant. Now the reasons of this iron being so popular on Banggood.com are: first, you get 5 different soldering tips in the package for different soldering requirements absolutely free. Second is a crucial one, it has its own built-in adjustable temperature settings starting from 200 degrees Celsius to all the way up to 450 degrees Celsius. This can be a huge benefit for many of you, as now you don't have to carry the soldering station with you all the time. And using these adjustable temperature settings, you can easily solder a wide range of electronic components. Third one, it is very lightweight. And fourth one is obvious, the price. This soldering iron definitely beats all its competitors in the price criteria, as you are getting so much for just $10. Guys, when I heated it up for the first time, I must say I was quite impressed, as it heated up very quickly from 0 to all the way up to 450 degrees Celsius. Now after unboxing the iron, I tested it by soldering my DSO-138 digital oscilloscope. For this purpose, I replaced the default tip with the thinnest tip, which is perfect for this kind of soldering. I soldered this complete board using this iron, and believe me guys, I really enjoyed the experience. This iron soldered all the components very smoothly with no problem at all. Here are some of the soldering samples. Although it soldered everything perfectly, after I was done, I observed that the tip of the soldering iron was bent. I don't know why this happened, maybe it was the high temperature that killed it on me. But after replacing the tip, I never faced such problem in my other projects. Let me give you an insider tip. While soldering, don't heat up the soldering wire. Just heat up the component you want to solder. This will make your joint more stable and perfect. I completed many projects using this iron and was very happy with its performance. All in all, this soldering iron is the best option for you out there in terms of versatility, application and price. That's all for today. Don't forget the buy link given in description if you want to check out Mustool MT223. I hope you like this review and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.